Good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 15. The product of two numbers is 480. If one of them is 8, find the other. A, we have 75, B, we have 60, C, 45, and D, 25. The product of two numbers is 480. This is just a simple word problem which can be represented in equation. Now, one of the number is given to be 8. We have to find the other. Now let the other number which you are looking for, let it be x. Now we have that 8 times x will give us what? 480. 8 times x is equals to 480. This is the same as saying 8x is equals to 480. Now to find x, we divide x by the we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 8. So therefore 8 we cancel 8, we have x is equal to, now 8 here is 1 and 8 and 480 is equal to 60. So x is equal to 60. So therefore the other number is equal to what? 60. From our option A here says 75, which is wrong. B says 60, which is correct. C says 45, which is wrong, and D says 25, which is wrong. So our final answer is B, 60. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.